Hi everyone. Today, we are going to show you how to convert a Canva presentation into a video. This is perfect if you want to share your slides on social media, send them to clients, or present them in a more dynamic way. Let's get started. On your slideshow dashboard, you can turn your presentation into a paid product by downloading it. Go to Downloads by clicking the Share button in the upper right corner of your page. Click this button and then click Download. Once you are in the Downloads window, click the drop-down menu. By default, it is set to PDF Standard. We need to change this to MP4 video. After changing the file type, click Downloads. Now, let's wait for the download to finish. Once it is done, we can extract the file, and it will now be on our computer. Let's check the file. As you can see, it is now an MP4. When we play it, the slides will change automatically based on the timing we set. Here, we set each slide to change every 5 seconds, so every 5 seconds, the page will turn. That's it. We have successfully turned our Canva presentation into a video. Now, we are ready to download, share, and showcase our content anywhere.